Giinubanan sa pagsalig sa kaugalingon ang pirming baw ni ining bisita nato karon. Ug tungod ni ana malampuson niyang nahuman ng iyahang kurso nga BS Geology ug nasungkit pa usab niya ang ikaupat nga pwesto sa Geology Licensure Exam 2020. With us this morning is John Michael Ausejo. Maayong buntag, John Michael. Kumusta ka, Sir Mike?
Maayong buntag, good ma'am. Okay lang ma'am. How about you po?
Ay, maayo kaayo kay ikaw ang amo ang bisita karong buntaga. First of all, congratulations ha sa
Thank you for
imuhang
having me po.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you so
Fourth
much po.
place. Can you please take us back, Mike, sa moment when you found out na nag-top 4 ka sa exam?
I remember I turned off my airplane. I managed to disable my my signal or network. Kay dili ko ganahan murag makakita sa result because of too much anxiety and of course nervousness. And then when I came here, the moment I stepped in sa balay namo at 5:30 in the afternoon, that was the time that I received a news coming from my classmates, friends, and all of the people. Sobrang dami na po yung tags, comments, mga mentions, and all the private messages and calls na I actually made it and eventually nag-top pa dyan sa board exam. So it was really one of the proudest and pivotal moments to me and to my parents.
Did you expect ba, Mike, na you will be one of the top-notchers?
Well, actually, I had doubt myself way back during my preparation, but still, it boils down to whom you trust the most, but yourself.
Unsa pa to imuhang mga struggles before achieving this success?
Some of those would be like family problems or financial problems while doing my studies. At the same time, adjustment to the environment, especially that Dumaguete is not the same environment that I typically go to. But with all those type of struggles, I managed to cope up, like at least pa unti-unti, for me to be able to not get distracted and make sure that all the problems that I encountered would be like resolved.
And Mike, we also learned that you finished your college degree for over a decade or almost a decade. Pwede ba nimong ma-share
Yes,
what happened?
Actually, I took up first Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering in University of Southeastern Philippines in Davao. So that was my first year in college way back 2010. And then I failed most of my major subjects. And basically that course po kasi, it was not my personal choice. It was my parents' choice. And hindi naman po siya parang rebel. It was just, I realized that engineering is not really meant for me. I believe that I'm redirected to the field to which I'm passionate about, and that's geology. And then 2017, just last year, 2020, I officially graduated, and this year I passed the board exam successfully.
And we'd like to know, ano yung mga plans mo ngayon nga nahuman na ka sa imuhang kurso ug nag-top pa jud ka?
Yes po. Currently, I'm doing my graduate study at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, National Institute of Geological Sciences, or UPNIGS. I am currently studying volcanic rocks ng mga ancient volcanism more than 60 million years old.
Wow.
And basically, also, I wanted to, to keep track on myself based on my performance, based on my progress, and because that passion in me way back in college is still in my heart, and it's still, keep on burning. And yun nga, apart from that, I also want to give back to the community where people, ay kailangan natin provide ng mga awareness or education program.
And lastly, Mike, what's your message of hope to everyone, especially those na na-inspire sa imuhang istorya karon?
I just have a simple message to them. Dreaming is the best when you work for it. So if they feel that they're giving up, think twice or maybe think thrice, because somebody back home is waiting for them to succeed one day.
And thank you so much, Mike, for spending your morning with us.
Wala problema. Thank you so much also for inviting me, and I'd just like to take this opportunity to also thank the people in Dumaguete City, those who actually helped me, especially Lumhod and Ausejo family in Bagakay, Negros Oriental, and also the Chinova family in Minubaan in Negros Occidental. So I'm thanking them because they played a big role in my success in geology po. Thank you so much po.
And I'm sure they're very proud of you as well. Thank you so much, Mike.
Thank you po. You're welcome po.